Did you know that you can make fluffy, fork-tender baked potatoes in your slow cooker? This is perfect for hot days when you don't want your oven heating the house or when you want to free up oven space to bake other dishes. Let's make some baked potatoes. Clean russet potatoes, removing any dirt while not scrubbing off the potato skin. Pat your potatoes completely dry. Prick each potato with a fork on both sides of the potato. Drizzle each potato with olive oil and rub the olive oil all over the surface of the potato. Sprinkle coarse, kosher salt all over both sides of the potato. Cover with the lid. It is okay if your potatoes are slightly stacked. There is no need for aluminum foil or water. Cook potatoes on high heat 4 to 5 hours or low heat 6 to 8 hours. Cooking time varies depending on the size of your potatoes. Add your favorite toppings and serve. For the full recipe and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstale.com.